Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. We have to see this exponential math problem. X by 5 raised to the power 4 equal to 60. Here we will apply the formula a by b raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. Now we will write this x raised to power 4 by 5 raised to power 4 equal to 16. Now we will do here cross multiplication. We write x raised to power 4 into 1 equal to 16 into 5 raised to power 4. Then we can write here x raised to power 4 equal to 16. We can write 2 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 4. Okay, so here we can write a raised to power n into b raised to power n is equal to a raised to power ab raised to power n. Now we can write here x raised to power 4 equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 into 5 raised to power 4. Then we can write here x raised to power 4 equal to 2 multiply 5, 2 5s are 10 raised to power 4. Now we will transfer this 10 raised to power 4 from right hand side to left hand side. So x raised to power 4 minus 10 raised to power 4 equal to 0. Now here we will apply the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus a minus b, a plus b. This we can apply here. Now from this we will come here x square minus 10 square in one bracket x square plus 10 square in another bracket equal to 0. Now we write here, we can expand this again by using this formula x minus 10 in another bracket we write x plus 10 and this x square plus 10 square equal to 0. Now we can write here x minus 10 equal to 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0 or x square plus 10 square equal to 0. Now x equal to 10 or x equal to plus 10 becomes minus 10 or here this x square equal to minus 10 square minus 10 square. Now we can write this one we have got x equal to 10, this one is x equal to minus 10 and this we can write x square under root equal to under root minus 10 square equal to plus minus we can write under root minus 1 into 10 square minus 1 into 10 square. Then we can write here x equal to plus minus under root 10 square into under root minus 1. Now we can write this x equal to plus minus square root remove plus minus 10 and under root minus 1 is equal to I. So this x equal to we have got plus minus 10I. x1 equal to 10, x2 equal to minus 10, x3 equal to 10I, x4 equal to 10I minus 10I. So these are the four values of x. These are the four values of x. These are the four values of x. To verify or check x by 4 raised to power x by 5 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. Here we can put x1 equal to 10. This value we can put here. So we can write 10 by 5 raised to power 4 equal to 16. Then we can write here 5 2s are 10, 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16, and here 2 raised to power 4 is equal to also 16, equal to 16. So this value is correct. Now we use here x2 equal to minus 10. Value of x is x equal to minus 10. So x by 5 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. Now put here minus 10 by 5 raised to power 4 equal to 16. Raised to power 5 equal to 16. So this 5 to the 10 minus 2 raised to power 4 equal to 16. So this also we get 16 equal to 16 minus 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So this also we get 16. Now for third value of x, x3 equal to 10I. Now 10I by 5 raised to power 4 equal to 16. So how we can get this? 5 to the 10, so 2I raised to power 4 is equal to 16. Here we can write 2 raised to power 4 into under root minus 1 raised to power 4 equal to 16. So we get this 2 raised to power 4 into, we get this minus 1 whole square equal to 16. So this minus 1 square we get here plus 1. So 2 raised to power 4 into 1 equal to 16. 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 into 1 is equal to 16 equal to 16. Then we get here 16. We get here 16 equal to 16. x4 is equal to, we write minus 10I. X by 5 raised to the power 4 equal to 10, 16. Now put here value minus 10I by 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now 5 to the 10 minus 2I raised to the power 4 is equal to 16. Now here we can write minus 2 raised to the power 4 into I raised to the power 4 equal to 16. Here minus 2 4 times becomes 16 into, and this one becomes minus 1 raised to power 4 equal to 16. Here minus 1, we have to write here minus 1. Square root will remove, so here write 16 into minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. Then 16 into 1 minus 1 square is 1 equal to 16. So this 16 is equal to 16. So all four values of x are correct, and it's verified also. Let's recap. For the fourth value of x is x raised to x4 is equal to 10 raised to power 10 minus 10I. For this both sides are equal, so this value is correct. Then we will come to for third value of x3 is equal to plus 10I. For this also value is correct. Then value of x2 is equal to minus 10. For this also both sides are correct. LHS is equal to RHS. Then x1 value is equal to 10. So for this also both sides are equal. Now these are the four values of x which we have find. So see how we have find that values. See here. If you like the video, so share with your friends and subscribe the channel for getting new exciting algebraic videos. Thank you for watching the whole video. Thank you. Bye bye.